Okay, hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar and let's start today's video. So in this video we are going to design this coupling model. Actually this is the part which is used to connect two parts. This is just a conceptual design, not a practical one, but this kind of design is good for practicing, and you can also design something like that. For this one I also had created a blueprint. Here you can see this is the actual blueprint that I have made, and here you can read the information that all the dimensions are in so it means that we have to keep all the dimensions in and all the important details are in okay, so both the things are same, and of course you have to subscribe the channel. So let's start the modeling. This is the model. First we have to close this one, and then after this we will start modeling this one. So here is our new one. So we have to create a new page. So simply go here and you have to click on part. So when you will click on parts, you will get something like that. Sometimes it will take some time to open. Now here you see this is our workplace. Now you have to specify the dimension because all the dimensions are so we have to select mmgs, millimeter, gram, second. You will get here the down forward portion of here. Now uh, come here. You have to select a front. So we are going to work with the front plane. So you can also work with the top plane, but front plane is fine. So first we will make a circle, make two circles, because first we need to make a cylindrical part, then after this we will make the other parts. So come here. Now here you see, let me zoom it out. Now here you see the diameter of this outer circle is uh, 30 mm because it's 15 mm, the radius is 15 mm, and the diameter of the internal circle is 20 mm, so 30 and 20. So let's make this one 30. Simply make this one 30, and we need to make this one how much? 20. Now here you see you have the model. Simply go here. Now let me check the height is given or not. Here you see the height is not given. So let's add this thing. This thing is the dimension of this one and this one is equal. So here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 and plus 2 is equal to 10. So the distance from this line to this line is 10. So 10 plus 10, and the middle that gap between here is 20. So it's 10 plus 10 plus 20 is equal to 40. We need to extrude this thing around 40 mm. So go to feature, go to extruded boss base. Now we need to do with mid plane because we need to extrude this thing on both directions equally. So simply make this one 40. Make this one 40. Now here you see sketch. Now come here. Find the top plane because top plane is in the middle of it. That's why we did it in mid plane. So simply make this one a sketch. Again select the outer circle. Convert this one as entity and also the internal circle as entity. Now here you see you can also directly make the circle, but this is the easier way. So go to normal to. Now if the normal to is not here, then come here and click right, and you have to go to tabs and you have to select normal to. In toolbar you can get that. So simply get this, and if you are not able to get that normal to, then simply click spacebar and you can select any portion you want. Okay. Now we have to make the sketch on the middle one. Back. Yeah. Now let's make a center line like this. Again, let's make a line from here, the center point like this. Make this like this and this one like this, and again come here. You need to make a circle also here. Okay. So now we need to specify the diameter of the circle. So come up. So the radius of the circle is 5 mm, and the radius of this fillet is also, this curve is also 5 mm. This one is equal, this one is equal, so we need to take this one as 5 mm. So if the radius of this arc is 5 mm, then the diameter of the circle that we are going to use here is also 10 mm. So simply come here, go to smart dimension, make this one 10. Okay, take this line and connect it to here. Now here we need to make a relation. So select this line and select this circle and make this one tangent. Now here you see this one is tangent. Make this one okay. Now Come here, is to go to smart dimension, select this line and this construction point, and we need to specify some distance here also. So this line is equal, so we need to make a gap of 60 from this line to this line, but right now we are just making half of it, so we need to make this one 30. Half of this whole part is 30, so that's why we need to make this, take this one as 30. Okay, now come here. Now here is the angle that we need. Okay, so the angle is 48.34. Simply specify the angle 48.34. Let's make this one 48.34 and means one. Okay, now here you see. Now here we need to specify the dimension of this one. So this one is 25. This one looks a little bigger, so this will be around, I think, 30. So let's make this one 30, right? So come here and make this one not like this. Go to smart dimension and take this one as 30. Now here you see it, now it looks perfect. So let's make this 30. Actually I still remember that it was 30. So come here, first let's trim this one. No, come here, go to mirror entities, select this 3 point, this one, this one and this one, and you have to, in the mirror section you have this point, you always have to select the middle one, the middle line, and simply make this one okay. Now here you see, now we need to specify the arc. Okay, curve, sketch fillet, we are going to use sketch fillet option. We can also use fillet option directly after extruding this one. You can use anyone. So let's make this one 5, this one will 5, this one will 5, this one is already 5, this one will 5, and this one will also be 5. Come here, go to sketch fillet, select this one and this one, and make this one 5. Here's 5 and make this one okay. Now here you see, now what you need to do, let's trim everything here. Trim this one also. Now here you see it get trimmed. Go to feature, go to extruded boxes. Now we need to extrude this one around 10 mm. Come down, it's 10 mm because we are making this part, so it's 3 plus 3 plus 5. There's also a gap here. Okay, so it's of 2 mm. Okay, so this one will be 10. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 and plus 2 is equal to 5. So simply make this one 10, not 5. Let's make this one 10 because 3 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. Make this one okay. Now here you see how this part is ready. Now we need to make the same part here also. So come here, we will make here, and then after this we will mirror it in another direction. Select this part and make this one a sketch. Now again select this circle and convert this as an entity, and also select this circle and convert this one as entity 2. Now also do the same here, make a straight line, make a line like this, select a construction line, make a line like this, make a circle here, and this circle also will also be around 10 mm. Okay, so simply make this one 10, right? From here, from anywhere here, take this line, and connect it to the center point, because we need to make a straight line. Simply select here and make this relation vertical. So here this one, and again this one will be 25. Let's make this one 25. Okay, now here we need to specify the angle. So this angle will be around 54.86. This angle from this angle between this line and this line will be 58.86, 54.86. Select this line and this line. So how much? 54.86 means on 54.86, and make this one okay. Now here you see it's done. And select this line. This line is 30.29. Simply make this one 30 because we need to make this one 60. Now this one is also done. So okay, go to mirror entities, again select this three lines. This one, and this one, it also gets selected, so no worry. Simply go to mirror about and you have to select the middle plane that I already had told you in my previous videos. Simply select this one. Now here you see this profile is done. We just need to specify the radius of this arc that we are going to make here. Not arc but fillet. It's called fillet. So go to sketch fillet select this point and it's 5 already selected, and simply make this one okay. Now go to trim entities, trim this one and trim this one too. Go here, go to extruded boss base. Now we need to extrude this one in this direction. On mid plane, select blind, change the direction. In this direction, we need to extrude this thing in this direction. So it's 10 already selected, and simply make this one okay. Now here you see, now what we need to do. Go to mirror option in feature section. You have to select the plane that lies exactly in the middle of it. So let me select the front plane is in the middle of it. So now you have to select the feature. So this is the feature. Sorry, not this feature, but this feature. Now here you see it get copied here, and simply make this one okay. Now here you see it get copied. Now here we just need to make the hole. So how we will make the hole in one time. So simply go to hole wizard. You can also make hole one by one, but no need to do that. Simply go to mirror hole wizard. You have to select this point, this third point, and 5 mm, because come to the drawing, the diameter of this hole is 5 mm, right? So select 5 mm. You can select drill size, you can also select dowel hole, but let's see dowel hole. Dowel hole, go to position, select this one. Now when you come to this arc, it will automatically show you the origin point of the circle. So this is the origin point of the circle. You have to select on this. Do the same here. Again select this one, select this, select this one, and this, and this one, and this, and this one, this one, this one, this, and this one will be also this. Now here you see, you always have to select. Now here you see it not making an impact on the other side. So simply go to type and we have to select through all. Simply select through all. Now here you see, simply being so okay. Now here you see it not getting selected everywhere. So come here. Again do the same thing here, hole wizard. Select, go to position, select this one. If this will not work, then you have to do it like this. Simply go here, make a hole here also. Come here, make a hole here. Select this arc, make a hole here. Now here you see all the holes are done. Now make this one okay. Now here you see this is our final model. Now we need to make some more thing. We need to make this fillet here. Come here. So the radius of this fillet is 2 mm. We need 3 radius, one here, and one here. Okay. So go to fillet, give radius 2 here. This section give radius 2. Select the corner one by one. Select this corner. Select this corner. Select this corner. Select this corner. Select this corner, and also select this corner. Here you see this corner left. So don't leave any corners. Do it one by one. And if you are not able to do it in one chance, then do it one by one. It depends on your practice. And simply make this okay. Now here you see all the fillets are done. Now we need to make some chamfer. Though, so the dimension of the chamfer is 1 mm. We need to make one chamfer, two chamfer, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 chamfers on 6 corners. And chamfer also here. Here is also a chamfer. So the chamfer will be 1 mm. So select in feature section, go to chamfer. This time give dimension 1. Select, okay, leave the chamfer, we will do it later, right? So come here, make a sketch, because this time we are going to make this gap, right? So the gap in this one is the gap is 2 mm. So the width of the gap we will also keep as 2 mm. Okay. So convert to entities. Now it get converted. Go to offset, select this corner, give dimension 2, and revert direction, inward direction, make this one okay. Now again we need to make some drawings. Select this and make a straight line like this, which connects to this line. Come here again. Again, we select this line, make a line like this. Now here you see. Now we need to trim some external part. So simply come here. You have to select the trim entities. Come here now. In the diagram, there are we are not going to use this one. Okay. Simply select trim entities. Again, trim this one. Now here you see it get trimmed. Actually, we need to make this one exactly in the middle of it. So come here. Find the front plane. Make a sketch. Again, select this one and convert this as entity. Now here you see. The drawing is exactly in the middle of it. You always have to be careful with that. Again, select normal to. Now what we need to do? Again, offset, select offset, revert action, means an OK. Make the drawing here just to close this drawing. Otherwise, it will delete the entire portion. Right? Select this one also. Make it like this. Go to trim entities. Select this one. Go to extruded boss base. Again, select mid plane and give dimension 2. Simply make this one 2. It's recording note. Yeah. Make this one OK. Now here you see. Here's the gap. We also need to make the gap here also same like this, but with a trick. So what? This time you need to select a plane. So select plane. Select this part because we are going to make a plane here, but with a distance of 42. Here you have to give the dimension. So it will specify the dimension between your exact original plane and the plane that you are going to make. So here is this simply make this one 5 because the height of this one, the thickness of this one is this part is 10 mm. So we need to take half of it. So it's going on this direction. This one is wrong. So simply click here offset, flip offset. So now this plane is exactly in the middle of it. So simply make this one OK. Now we need to make a sketch on this plane. Select this one and make a sketch. Again select this part. Convert this as entity. Select this corner and offset and reverse action. Fine. OK. Come here. This time make a drawing from this point. Simply connect this point. Again come down here. Okay, go to trim entities. This time trim this one because we don't need this thing. Make this one okay. Go to feature, go to extruded cut. We have to select extruded cut because we are going to cut this portion and make this one okay. Now here you see. Simply hide. So how to hide? Click here. Here is the option for hide. So now it get hidden. We hide it. Now we need to copy this one over here on this part. We need this gap on this part also. So no need to repeat the process again. Simply go to mirror, select the top plane, front plane because front plane is in the middle, and feature. This is the feature. Simply select this one. Now here you see it get copied and make this one okay. Now here you see this is the what we have in the final. Now we need to make fillet here. This one chamfer. This chamfer. We need to make a chamfer here with a dimension of 1 mm. So come here, go here, select chamfer, give dimension 1. Select the upper one, upper one. Select the lower one. Be careful. Again, select this one. Select this one too. Select this one and this one too. Now here you see, and simply make this one okay. Now here you see all the chamfers are done. Let's make one chamfer here also. So go here, go chamfer, select everything. Something wrong. Chamfer. Select this one. Now here you see the chamfer is got copied. Now when you have to select make chamfer in one side, then just click the corner. But if you want to make chamfer on both the sides and a cylindrical part, then you only have to select the middle part. When you click on the middle part, then the chamfer will get implemented on both sides, something like this, and make this one okay. Now come here in this icon, edit appearance. You have to select the part color. So there's a final mode. You can also select material because There's a practice model that I use color. You can choose any color of your desire. So this is our final model. Make this one okay now. So in this model we learned a new thing, how to make this kind of part. So this is an interesting video. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have watched the video completely. So this time to subscribe the channel and also share with a friend. Click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time when I upload new video. By the way, every day I upload new video with some new concept or new design, just to give you a demonstration that how to become a better designer or become a better design engineer in a mechanical field. So I hope that you can practice this thing and implement the techniques that I use in this video in your own videos. So thanks for watching and bye.